Hey loves, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys are staying safe and staying inside. Hopefully this all will be over soon, but like I said, if you guys are staying in the house and staying safe, I'm sure that a lot of us ladies and gentlemen who did our nails prior to the quarantine starting are definitely in major need of some nail therapy. I know we can't go out to the salon right now, and honestly the salon is one of the first places that I am going once this is over because these just won't do. But I wanted to show you guys how you can safely take off your acrylic nails. I have my AirPod in, I'm so sorry. How you can safely take off your acrylic nails and your gel nails safely at home, so you can rock the natural nails until we're out of quarantine and all of us can go back to the nail salon, because this, having them so grown out and looking so crazy and having them lift and, like your hair getting caught under them is just not the wave. So I went ahead and took mine off, and I did apply just some nail hardener, which you guys will see in the video. Actually, I don't think you will. I don't think I recorded that. But yeah, this video is just me showing you how I took them off. These are my nails currently, looking like little stubs, little nubs. Quite embarrassing, but what can you do? So I just went ahead and, like I said, after I took them off, I applied some nail hardener. I just picked mine up. I actually had it in my house. I didn't even go out to go buy it or anything. But if you don't have a nail hardener or anything like that, you can just put a clear coat on, or you can do your nails if you really want your nails to look cute. I am still currently working, so I do want my nails to look a little bit cute because I'm out in the public. But, if you're home in quarantine, girls, let your nails breathe, okay? But I just wanted to pop on here and tell you guys what was going on before we hop right into the video. I show you guys everything that you'll need. You probably have it at your house if you're an avid nail doer. And also, if you guys would like an at-home pedicure video, definitely let me know because I can do that for you as well. But I hope that you guys are healthy and well. My prayers and my thoughts are with you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so this is all the stuff that you are going to need. Proper English here, guys. So I got this nail file from Walmart a while ago when I wanted to start doing my own nails and everything and taking them off. So you can pick one up from Walmart, you can pick one up from Amazon, whatever floats your boat. I do have this nail clipper here, which I picked up from Amazon. It's just so much easier to take off your nails when you have one of those clippers instead of one of these. I use this nail clipper to cut my natural nails. It just makes the whole process easier. Here I have some of these gel polish soak off clips. I picked these up, I want to say at Five Below, but I'm pretty sure they have them at Walmart too if you guys are like going grocery shopping or something. I have a cuticle pusher, and then I have some 100% pure acetone as well. And then I think I have something else. Oh yes, some cotton balls just to soak off the acrylic as well as the gel polish. So let's go ahead and get started into taking these nails off. So first things first, I'm cutting all of the nails down to like where my natural nails are underneath. This just makes the process so much easier. You're not trying to soak off the whole length of the nail, and instead you're just taking off the part that's on your natural nail. It just makes everything so much easier, guys. I've seen people who like put the whole cotton ball on their nail and don't cut it down, and it just makes the whole process more difficult. So once I cut all my nails down, I go ahead and take the nail file, and I'm just filing off the top layer of the gel, like the shiny top coat part. This just helps the acetone be able to penetrate the acrylic and the gel and everything a lot easier. So it just makes everything easier, and it takes no time at all. You don't even need a nail file for this. You can just use your hand file and just file off the top shiny layer, and it makes everything just so much easier. You can even go down to just the acrylic and file off all of the gel color. I personally just didn't feel like doing that because 9 times out of 10 my nails just end up popping off once I soak them. So me having to file off the gel doesn't really matter because my nails end up popping off anyway. But if you guys feel that it's necessary to file off the gel, then you can go ahead and do that as well. But here I am off camera. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get up close and personal, but I'm still doing the same thing, just filing off that top layer, the top shiny layer of polish, making sure to get all of the edges and everything. I find that the edges is really where it can get really hard to take off the nail because we forget about the sides and we're just like concerned about the top. So make sure that you get the sides of the nail. It just ensures that the nail comes off completely and you get all of the acrylic and the gel off. Once you take all of the gel top coat off, I'm going ahead and taking the cotton ball. I like to take my cotton balls in half and just put the acetone on it and put the little clip on top. I find that this works really well, and I really like doing one hand at a time, because that way I can still type on my phone, type on the computer or whatever, and it just makes the most sense to me. I really do drench the cotton ball in the acetone because it just helps it really, really soak and get into the nail, and because of these nail clips, you don't have to worry about walking around and dripping any acetone on the floor or anything like that, because these make the cotton ball stay in place. If you are doing your nails at home, I highly suggest getting these nail clips. I think that they're like a game changer. So I'm just going ahead and letting that sit for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, I'll go ahead and check with the take off the cotton ball, and I check to see how it's coming off. And as you guys can see here, this nail was trying to come off, but I needed to soak it just a little bit more. And it might take a few times for the nails to come off. It's not going to be like a one and done type of thing. Even when you go to the nail salon, you have to sit with your nails in the acetone or sit like this for probably 20 minutes or so. So I just went ahead and just tried to see if anything was coming off after 10 minutes. And then if nothing was coming off, then I just went ahead and put them back on for another 10 minutes. So this process does take a little bit of time, but it's worth it so that you don't mess up your nail beds or anything like that, and you can have your healthy, natural. Okay, so once I took off the nails again, after the second 10 minutes, I went ahead and started to file them down. Some of the nails, as you see, just popped off. Some of them I had to scrape off with a cuticle pusher, but it still works either way, no worries. So once I get to my natural nail, I do go ahead and use just my hand file because I feel like the electric file can be a little bit too much, but I'm just filing down any of the acrylic that is left on the nail. Sometimes you have a little thin layer of acrylic that can be left, and here I'm just cutting down my natural nails so that I don't snag it on anything like that, making sure that all of the gel and acrylic is off, and it's just really easy once you let it sit for a little bit. And as you guys can see here, there was a little bit of gel left on this nail, and once that happens, I just go ahead and take my electric nail file and file off any of the excess, and it just makes the process so easy. But yeah, guys, that is really it. This is how I take my acrylics and my gel off at home, and it's really safe, really easy, and it's just really nice to have another way of doing something yourself at home, especially during this quarantine, and not having to wait to go to the salon. Like I said, I hope you guys are safe and doing well, and I will talk to you in the next video very soon. I love you girls. Bye.